Hey everyone, welcome to another VBA tutorial. In this part we are going to talk about how to create an XML document, XML file using VBA. Okay, so for this purpose I created a new workbook. I called it VBA underscore XML dot XLSM. As you can see here, it's blank here, not just one page. And then I added some code here, inserted a module, and then we added the code here. Okay, this is the code we're going to work with today. All right, now let's look at the code and go line by line, see what's going on here. So the first line, as usual, we're declaring variables. I have three variables: doc, root, and fpath, which stands for file path. Okay, so doc and root are object types. Fpath or file path is a string type. Okay, and then we're assigning variables. I'm setting the fpath to the folder, the folder that we are going to store this file, and also we are including the file name that we are going to create. Okay, so it's going to be inside this folder with this file name. Okay, next we are setting the doc variable to create object, and within parentheses and double quotes we are passing in the object name of the object we are going to create, which is msxml2.dom document. Okay, next we are setting the root to create element products. So we're calling the doc document, we are telling the doc document, which is we set to this object, we are telling the document to create an element that we passed in parentheses with double quotes called products. Okay, and then we are saying, hey doc or document, append this child called root. First we are creating it by calling onto the doc object, which is this guy here, and then we are telling the doc object to append this child we just created. Okay, so this document is responsible for creating and adding the child that we created, and then finally we're saving it by saying doc.save the file path. Okay, actually first I'm gonna comment some of these two lines. Basically without these two lines, this 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of code creates a blank XML document. Okay, so just to see it, let's run this and see what happens. The folder we are going to use is here, so it should create a document here called test.xml. Okay, let's run this. Okay, no errors, seems like it went through. Okay, and here we have it. Okay, nothing inside the file. Let's open this with Explorer. I prefer Explorer, it's easy to read XML documents, so but you can definitely use something else that you want to. Okay, so it opened the file with nothing in it. Okay, now we are going to uncomment these two lines and see what happens with that. So basically it's going to create an element called products, which is a node, and then it's going to add that to the document. Okay, let's run this again and let's reopen the file. It basically overwritten it or overrode it. As you can see, the products node is here. Let's open this with Explorer. The reason I'm doing this because I want you to see something here. So with Explorer you can see it adds a header line as well. Okay, and the way it lays out the document is really easy on eyes. You can read better. This is our blank one. As you can see, nothing there. This is the last version with 2 lines of code, with the header line and with our root element, which is we call products. Okay, so that's it for how to create an XML document using VBA. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Okay, until then, take it easy.